Hello everybody and welcome back to tonight's video, and welcome back to the channel. Sorry about last week. I kind of messed up in the edit and I deleted my video like a superstar that I am. So yeah, apologise for no video last week. And tonight's video is a little ash bowl around 8 inches in diameter and around 2 inches thick. And what I am doing is I'm going to apply some Jo Sonjas and see how that turns out. So at the minute I am just creating the shape of the bottom of the bowl that I'm looking for, and I am using the Easy Wood mid-size finisher. Just working the shape, I'm finishing off that little bottom a little bit. And just doing a couple of final passes now. Quite happy with the shape that I've got. And now just coming in with the detailer just to start the mourtis. And now there with the rougher just to square everything off. I'm down at the depth I'm after, and I just come back with the diamond tool there just to put that little recess in there to hold the chuck jaws. And now sanding with Klingspor abrasives, I sand up to 240 grit on the bottom. I do use denatured alcohol or methylated spirits in between each grit just to clean it off, and then start again on the next grit. And now on with the Hampshire Sheen pre-thin cellulose sanding sealer. 2 coats was applied, and once all that cured up, took about 10 minutes, I came onto the Yorkshire grit. Just applying it on stationary to start with, working it in, and then starting up to 500 slow speed, working up to around 1000 RPM and working that grit in there, and it gives you around 1000 grit finish as well. And now onto the Hampshire Sheen high gloss wax. I put 3 coats of this on, and I know I've said it before, but I use 3 thin coats. Don't need to put a lot of this on, because the more you put on, as soon as you start buffing it in, it's just all going to come off on the paper. Nice, even, thin coats, and it's great. You can now start to see it pop. No pressure on that towel, just letting the towel heat up slightly and work that gloss in. Work that wax in, should I say. There we go. And now coming in with the Easy Woods rougher, just to square off the face of the blank, and then coming in with the Klingspor abrasives. Now this time I go up to 400 grit. 400 grit because I am going to apply the black Ebonising lacquer. So there, just spraying it with sanding sealer. I did miss out the Ebonising lacquer. I did put 2 coats on. I put 1 on forward, 1 in reverse, just to make sure it's all covered. And now with the Jo Sonjas, I'm using the blue, and I'm using the red. Now what I didn't show on here, because I did it afterwards, actually off camera, I had a little bit of gold in there as well at the end. I let it dry overnight, it was getting quite late here. When I come back out, I thought it just needed a little bit of something extra. so I added a bit of gold on there, but I did forget to press record. But you'll see that a bit later on. So there, just using the fake coral sponge just to apply it and give that that little effect, which I absolutely love. So there you can see I added the gold in there a little bit. Bit of sanding sealer on there, seal it all in before I start turning and sanding the inside. It's just easier to clean up, in my opinion, afterwards with a brush. So now with the mid-size #1 hollower, just to create a little dish for this wide rim bowl. Not many passes were needed with this tool because it is an absolute beast. That little cutter just removes material. And I thought I'd put a few little lines in there just to break it up a little bit. And just coming in now with the rougher just to expose a little bit of that grain there. And now here's the mid-size finisher just to clean it up. Make sure we've got some nice little final passes on there. It just makes it easier for sanding. And it's all sanded up, and I believe this was 400. And there, look, with the brush straight over, and that sanding sealer, like I say, in my opinion, just helps. Now we go a little bit more sanding sealer, because we're now getting ready again just to apply a little bit of Yorkshire grit to the inside. Same principle, 500. Once you're happy, up to about 1,000, and off it comes nice and clean. So again, the high gloss wax. It's only a small dish, so again, not a lot here at all. And buffing it in. It really does make a difference, in my opinion. But here's where those colours are about to pop. Hampshire Sheen high gloss, professional high gloss. Look at those. Look at that colour. It is absolutely stunning. Okay, guys. See you later.